Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Julio Franco. I want to go ahead and say thank you for watching this short video. All right, you're here because you want to learn or you're interested in make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, let me tell you, you've come to the right spot. Okay, I I'm going to show you that affiliate marketing blueprint. Okay, there's a lot of people out there teaching affiliate marketing the wrong ways. I'm going to teach you the proper way. Okay, just like running a serious business. Now, please keep this in mind. This is for serious individuals that are serious to take their business to the next level. Okay. This is for people that are tired of the 9 to 5 grind. This is for people that are interested in to make an extra income on the side. This is for people that want to do it as a side hustle. Okay. Now, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay. Little disclaimer right there. I have to throw it. This is not for people that think they're going to come in here and they're going to do 1 day worth of works and they're gonna see results. No, you need to put time and dedication into it, and then you're gonna start seeing results. Okay, trust me. If you do the time, if you stay consistent, you're gonna be able to see results. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. That's my point of view. Why? Because I've done MLM, I've done drop shipping, I've done Amazon FBA, I've done all kinds of sort of stuff, and I've done nothing but waste my time and throw the money away. Okay. So I came across affiliate marketing a few years ago, and I love the model because you don't have to spend money. All you have to do is just go and grab somebody else's link and come and post it into your social medias like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, whatever, and then it can only take you like 20, 30 minutes of your time per day. I mean, it's a no-brainer. So I will show you the, the inside of affiliate marketing right now. If you really want to go ahead and start right away and hit the ground running, okay? This is what I want you to do, okay? First things first, I told you if you're serious about doing affiliate marketing and you know do it as a business, you got to treat it like a business, okay? So we are going to require a couple of tools just like any affiliate marketer. You can ask anybody out there that does affiliate marketing. They're going to ask you that the most important things you need, it's a funnel and a email autoresponder, okay? And I'm going to show you where you can get those tools and all that kind of stuff. But first of all, let's go ahead and jump into funnel builder that I'm promoting. And you can also start promoting, and once you start promoting, you can go ahead and start making 80% commissions off of it. So let's jump over there real quick. Let me go ahead and share the screen. Desktop, sure. Okay, let me go ahead and close this. Where are we at? Right here. Okay. Yeah, also guys, do me a big favor, okay? If you're watching this video right here, go ahead and leave me a comment. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that way every time I put content about affiliate marketing, you'll be one of the first ones to get notified. I highly appreciate it. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up too, and go ahead and notify the bell. So subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and notify the bell. I appreciate you so much. All right, so this is what we're gonna be becoming an affiliate of. Okay, it's called the Home Business Academy. It's all in one. Okay, so what it does here, let me play the video real quick. All right. I do apologize. My internet is lagging a little bit, but look, it's only $25 to get started. Okay, and this is what you're gonna get. Like I said, this is for people that want to go ahead and get started. They're serious about doing affiliate marketing. Okay. The world's all-in-one digital business is the new smartest and fastest way to step into insanely profitable business online so you can win freedom faster. Okay. You want to start getting Heart Center 20 and 100 monthly commissions for every customer you refer. Okay, there's a lot of people in this industry that I know that they're promoting this product right here and they're making thousands of dollars per month. Okay, now Income disclaimer, like I said, it's not a get quick rich scheme. You have to put your work into it. You have to put work into it. You have to uh put some time. You have to be consistent, okay? And they're pretty much step one, get your business profitable quickly. Our goal is to get your business in positive cash flow as fast as possible. Um this is why we made it just two sales, and it puts you in the process in a positive profit. So if you make two sales, you're already winning. Okay. So they'll give you like $20, which is 80% commissions for every person you referred. Okay. Now keep in mind there's a lot of funnel builders out there, okay? Like Click Funnels, and it's pretty expensive. It's like $97. Not trying to bash other business or other companies, but for beginners, it's kind of hard to throw $100 every month and you're not making any sales. That's why I love this all-in-one business. It's very affordable, and it's the same concept. You're gonna be creating funnel builders, you're gonna be creating pages, you're gonna be creating bridge opt-in pages, all kinds of stuff. So, and this is what you get. All right. Let me see where we at. Build commuter hard principles. Let me see where we at. Step one, use your proven multi-million-dollar sales machine to get profit quickly. Okay. The world first all-in-one digital business, new, smarter, fastest way. Step into insanely profitable business online so you can win your freedom faster without your own product, without dealing with customer service, without having to worry about product delivery. So pretty much what they're telling you is you can pretty much become an affiliate, promote it, and you don't have to worry about the headache. Okay. They do all the work for you. All you have to do is just promote and see those commissions. You see right here, completely ready to go proven business that has already paid out millions of dollars to people just like you, because we pay you 80% of commissions. So it's one of the business models that I've seen to pay the highest in commissions. 80%, that's a lot. So it's pretty simple, guys. All you have to do, um, click here on the button right here. Yes, I want access for $25. Okay. And once you do that, okay, once you do that, if you buy through my link in this video right now, I'm gonna give you access to my to the affiliate blueprint course that I just created, okay? And it tells you everything about building funnels through HBA, which is all in one, okay? Because I use it. You can follow my step by step blueprint. I'm gonna show you how to tie your landing page with your autoresponder. So in my course, I'm going to teach you where to go to become an affiliate. I'm going to show you the best products you can promote. Okay. Get those links, promote them, do a landing page, set up your email autoresponder. Okay. It's a no-brainer. If you purchase through my link right here in this video, I'm going to let you have access to my course. Let me see if I have it here. Let me see. Let me see. A second. Let me. I want to show you real quick. Yep, right here, the affiliate blueprint. Okay, I'm gonna let you have access to this, and it teaches pretty much everything about, like, for example, become a super affiliate. And let me see if I can show it in a different way. Let me see. Let me see. Give me a second. Or better yet, here. Something went wrong. Creating passive income. That's my website. Give me a second, guys. Recording. Okay, I do apologize. I'm going to share my screen. Share. All right, so this is what you're going to get if you purchased um all-in-one business model, okay, to do your funnels. This is what you're going to get. You'll become a super affiliate. It says complete. Let me show you real quick. I'm lagging. So right here, this is inside a little bit. I show you how to become an affiliate for this different vendors right here and get the best products to promote. Okay. And on the next one, I'll show you how to get the best products the best affiliate links. And right here, I'll show you how to create your first landing page with HBA Builder, which is this right here. Okay. You're gonna get this for free if you purchase this right here. Okay. So how are you gonna do that? Go ahead and get the link below this video. I'm gonna leave a link. Okay, so you can go ahead and get access to it. And also if you don't want to go ahead and do this, but you want to go ahead and purchase my online course, you can also get it. I'm going to leave the link to it, guys. It's a no-brainer. This is the best and fastest way to start affiliate marketing in 2024. Okay. So let me show you my course so you can see everything that you're going to get. That way, you know, when you get access to this right here for $25, you're also going to get, I'm going to show you everything that you get in my course. Let me see. Give me a second. Right here. Where's it at? Where is it at? Course. Okay. You see this right here. All right, check it out. All right, affiliate marketing Julio Franco, which is me. Okay, attention, you're tired of juggling work, family, blah blah blah. But this is what you're gonna get: the step-by-step process to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey, even with no experience, with no prior experience. Proven strategy to choose the right affiliate product and niche that resonate with your audience. Insider tips on how to effectively promote affiliate products without being salesy or pushy. Secret to scale your affiliate income and achieve true financial freedom for your family. 3 freedom Zoom classes. Okay, this is one of the best right here. You get 3 Zoom classes. Okay, included when you purchase this to guide you all the way. And you also get lifetime access. Okay, either or. You can go ahead and purchase my course, or you can go ahead and purchase the funnel builder right here, this one, and you also get my course for free included. All you have to do is just click on the link below, guys. This is one of the best and easiest method that you can do is start making money from home with affiliate marketing. Guys, thank you so much. Go ahead and click on the link to get started and get my support. You're gonna have me helping you out with any questions, with any struggles that you have. Thank you guys once again. God bless. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.